Hi, it's Cassie, the owner of East Village Spa, and I want to talk to you about our Pure Inventions drink mixes today. I'm going to show you 4 of our favorite recipes. These are really great. There's no sugar, no calories, no caffeine, no gluten. So really great way to hydrate, especially if you're bored with just plain water. So the first is going to be our vanilla Tranquility. It's got chamomile and passion flower and magnesium, so it's good for things like muscle cramps. It is good for nighttime worry and anxiety, and it's got a great vanilla flavor. So you'll want to shake this up, add just 1 dropper full to a cup of hot water. We like this one best hot, and my favorite is to stir it with a cinnamon stick. And then it's kind of like having a chai tea without any calories or caffeine or sugar. The next one is the Pure Beauty Blend. It's got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, plus a really great light lemon blueberry flavor. So to serve this, we love this either with sparkling or still water. Shake it up. I'll put a couple droppers full, usually 1 to 2, depending on the size of the glass. I've got some lemon wedges and blueberries there just to make it look fancy. And it's just a no-calorie, really fancy blueberry lemonade. Our green tea extracts are a really great way to make a hot or cold beverage, or even a sparkling beverage. I'm going to use the raspberry flavor, but we also have a pineapple coconut and a peach flavor. So you'll shake it up. If you've had one too many Zoom cocktail hours and you just need to cut back, but also you want something more fun than water, this is a great choice. You can add some fruit just to fancy it up a bit, some sparkling water, and you have got a non-alcoholic cocktail. Another fun thing, if you aren't trying to cut back, it's really great with champagne too, to make a really fun cocktail without a high calorie mixer. So just a little of any of the fruit flavor in the bottom of a champagne flute, topped with champagne, it is delicious. At East Village Spa, our favorite fall and winter drink is the hot toddy. I always say this isn't whiskey, it's medicine. So we start with either a lemon or orange wedge with some cloves in it. Cloves are really good for sore throats. And then a cinnamon stick for stirring, a shot of your favorite Irish whiskey, and then my favorite to use is the cranberry elderberry, because it's just a really good fall flavor. But you can really use any of these flavors just to kind of punch up a hot toddy. So I'll do a whole dropper full. And then I've got some hot water here. I recommend using a mug and not a ball jar just so you don't burn your fingers, but we wanted to just make sure you saw the pretty ingredients. And this is the famous East Village Spa hot toddy with the Pure Inventions cranberry elderberry drink mix.